Hey there, it's me, Coach RJ of StayFit Cebu, and welcome once again to My Fitness. We will be doing another functional bodybuilding workout to help you burn those calories that you gained this holiday season. Let's start moving. First up is warm up, where we'll try to loosen up our muscles and make our heart rate go up. We'll be doing supersets of 3 exercises. These exercises will be done straight with minimal rest in between. Joining us today is Analu, who will be demonstrating all the workouts. On to our first movement is called inchworm hop. So first, do hip hinge, straight legs, arms dropping to the floor. Then walk until you do a high plank. Make sure straight body. After that, do a sprawl. So jump forward, then do a 180 turn. So that's the 1 rep. For scaled purposes, you can do is bend your knees, then drop, then slowly walk, then just step forward, right to left, then just jump a little. Second movement is jack to touchdown lunges. So we're doing a regular jack, so wide arms, then feet wide apart. Directly move to lunge formation. Hands between your legs, then clap. Then do another one, but this time alternate to the other leg. That's it. Last movement is loaded beast to shoulder taps. So first, you do a high plank, then bend your knees, butt to heels. Make sure your heels will not be touching the ground. Then go back to high plank, then tap your shoulders, cross body. That's 1 rep. There, straight, make sure your body is straight. Make sure straighten your back when you walk. Nice. Breathe in, breathe out. You can do a hop when you do a 180 turn. That's it. Nice, Anna. Nice. It's alternating right to left lunge. Clap between your legs. Very good. Straight arms. Widen your legs when you do the jack. Nice. Squeeze your butt. Engage your core when you do a shoulder tap. Stretch those shoulders when you push back. Nice. Very good. Keep going. Very good. Go, Anna. It is recommended to do an additional round for this program. Use water bottles, bags, or any convenient object you can find if you don't have any dumbbells. Next up is the bodybuilding part. We will be doing compound exercises, which combines 2 or more exercises into one move. This will hit more muscles and save more time. First movement of our bodybuilding part is cluster. So, put the weight in front of you on the floor. Then pull it towards your shoulders. Then squat. When you're about to stand up, directly press overhead. That's 1 rep. Second movement is deadlift throw. So, pick up the weight, put it on your side, then first do a regular deadlift. So, like sitting down, make sure the weight is touching the floor. After that, you row. Then bring it down, then stand up. That's 1 rep. Pull, shoulders up. Nice. Make sure when you squat, try to go below parallel. Arms locked overhead. Arms near your ears. Nice. Transfer to the other side. We're doing 5 reps per side. Nice. Keep going. Breathe in, breathe out. Nice form. Nice. Row, elbows near your body. Nice. Chest out, butt out. Make sure to do a tempo. Nice. Keep going. Squeeze your butt, engage your core. Very good. Nice. Slow. Very good. It's ideal in this part we incorporate time under tension, slowing down the movement of each repetition. This will make your muscles work harder for optimal growth, endurance, and strength. Keep in mind to do quality low reps in your best form rather than fast high reps with bad form. This is glute bridge hold with floor press. So put the weight beside you, lie down, pick the weight near your shoulders, bend your knees, then hips up. Make sure you hold it. After that, you do a floor press. So press up, then down. That's one rep. Last movement of your bodybuilding is front rack, forward lunge to back lunge. So pick up the weight, place it in your shoulders, hold it, then do a forward lunge on directly to a back lunge. Make sure, then stand tall. Nice. Feet flat, the ground. Squeeze your butt up, hold it, engage your core, then press. Elbows again near your body. Back of your elbows touching the ground, then up, straight. Up, slowly go down, then up. Nice. So we're going down, then up. Good job. Nice. Make sure your knees will not be over your toes when you do a forward lunge. Slice, slow and easy. Elbows up. Hold the weight. Nice. Straight your body. We'll be doing 5 reps. So transfer to the other side. Forward, back. That's 1 rep. Nice. Then back. Breathe in, breathe out. Squeeze your abs. Hold the load. That's it. Good job. Lastly, we'll be doing core exercises where we'll be doing time set format. Today, we'll be doing 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest intervals. Now for the core part. First movement is reverse plank to alternating knee tucks. So lie down, hands behind you, straighten legs, then butt up. Then hold it there, then do an alternating knee tucks. For scaled version, you can sit down, then do the movement. Second movement is leg raise to toe reach. So lie down, flat your back, leg raise, hold it there, and aim for your toe reach. That's 1 rep. Then bring your leg down. For scaled version, you can bend your knee a little, then just reach for your shin or your knee. That's 1 rep. Last movement is side to side oblique crunch. So lie down, flatten your back, bend your knees, flat feet, ground. Hands between your head, then use your core to do a side crunch. And transfer to the other side. Three, 2, 1. Let's start. Right. Heels, ground, toes up, butt up. Hold your ground. Nice. Knees aim towards your chest. Nice, Anna. Halfway there. Keep going. Breathe in, breathe out. Engage your core. Last 10 seconds. Push. Almost done. 5 seconds. 3. 1 more rep. 2. Rest. Let's go, Anna. Start in 3, 2, 1, go. Nice. Up, down. Keep going. Try to reach up and down. Breathe in, breathe out. Try to do the leg raise. Up, reach, leg lower. Good. Keep going. Last 10 seconds. Squeeze in more reps. Last 5. Try to do 2 more. And 3, 2, 1, rest. All right, get ready, Anna. And 3, 2, 1, go. All right. Knees up. Feet flat to the ground. Use your core. Side to side. Engage your core. Very good. Halfway there. 15 seconds. Keep going. Lift your upper back. Do a crunch. That's it. Nice form. Last 5 seconds. Squeeze 8 more reps. One more. 3, 2, 1. Rest.
Lights go down.
Hope you enjoyed today's workout. For your fitness needs, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at StayFit Cebu. You can also follow me on Instagram at The Rod Warrior for personal training on functional bodybuilding. StayFit Cebu is pleased to announce that we are reopening this January 2021. Stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, we're still offering online classes like yoga, calisthenics, Olympic weightlifting, and more. This is Coach RJ, and this is My Fitness. Happy holidays, stay safe, and stay fit.